I think you actually did. Stopping for fuel because we didn't really have a great deal, and that Shell station wasn't open and there wasn't much left and not enough to get round, so stopping for fuel, which should see us for the rest of the trip. It's taking forever, and then we're off to some more lanes and hopefully a bit of lunch. See this lane? We've done a few times now, but we did it a couple of years back, and it had quite a large step that let's build up. Since then we've dubbed it the step, but we came back last year and it had all been graded, so there's a bit coming up now which used to be quite large. It isn't actually so bad, and it's all just slate now, which is a bit of a shame, but there you go. And then we'll be heading off this lane into a spotty van, and then we've got one or two more lanes today before we head back to the campsite for some more tomorrow, really. So we're on a lane at the moment. It's the final one of the day. We'll finish this and then head back to the campsite, do a barbecue this evening, and then yeah, a few lanes tomorrow on the way back. Unfortunately, one of the ones that we like to do, but the Wayfarer, it's just they're doing work on it, so that's unfortunate. Yeah, got quite a nice little bit going up now, just to the crest in the hill. Yeah. Well, good. I haven't driven the 80 in. I haven't driven the 80 in about a year, so a year, 10 months. So we thought about not having the roof on, but you just get scorched. You just get scorched by the sun, and there's no hiding from it. So yeah, we have the roof on, but side rolled up. The best option. Be bumpy. Or do I prefer driving? Before lanes tomorrow, we might have to have a look at the Common car wash. No, it's Corwin, isn't it? Corwin car wash. The Corwin car wash. Have a look at it, see what. See whether it's doable. to do it, depending on how deep it'll be, but we're gonna have a look either way and suss it out, see if anyone else is doing it.
Yeah, I'm sure you can see the bottom.
Someone get the wellies out. There's no current really to it. Joe, you wouldn't want to do this in the winter, would you?
That's the deepest bit. Mild option.
Joe, I don't think you're getting anything up that.
Sort of coming to the end of the trip now. A few gentle lanes just to get us back. It's been a good one. The weather's helped massively. The Sunday last year was really grey and horrible, so it makes a change that it's not. We've got to try at some point. Trying to work out where we go. Done it in the past, but I think there might be some water bits, so we're not completely done yet, but unfortunately we're getting there. Howdy. Oh, it's quite deep. It rings. Hey, break. There we go.